We guide you through how to transfer Apple Pay cash to a debit card or bank account so you can access your money easily. First thing you need to do is open the wallet app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple Cash card. Next, tap the More button, then select Transfer to Bank. Choose whether you want to transfer the money to an eligible debit card for an instant transfer or to a linked bank account for a standard transfer, which may take 1 to 3 business days. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details, and confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once completed, your Apple Cash balance will be sent to your selected debit card or bank account. This is a convenient way to move your Apple Pay cash funds whenever you need them.